Hopefully, marami tayong natutunan sa content nating ito. From the life lessons po ni Direk Yasmin, sa mga pinagdaanan nila, magpapatunay talaga na despite of all the hurdles, kailangan patuloy pa rin natin ang ating mga goals. At kung we're really passionate about things, as kagaya kay Direk, di ba? She's so passionate about filmmaking. Tinuloy nila yun, di ba? Let's continue to do our craft, our passion. Kasi from there, di ba, nabibless tayo, we become motivated, and hopefully, we will have the support of our family. Kasi it's a big thing then, a big deal for us. Sa mga young people, young individual like her, importante na may support ng family and the people around us. Diba? May mga umaalis, may mga mangiiwan talaga sa'yo along the way, pero marami pa rin namang natitira. Kagaya doon sa pinagdaan. Kasi I saw some of the posts. Oo, kaya, di ba, nakaka-relate sa lahat. Hope na nagustuhan niyo po ang content na ito. So if you like this content, please support us and please subscribe to Bicolana On The Go YouTube channel. We also have our Facebook official page, Bicolana On The Go. Yun lamang po. Diyos mabalos!